What's up guys, how's it going? So today I wanted to knock out a video, the walk around video of my truck. I wanted to get this video out last week, but with work and the whole getting dark earlier and the weather's been crap, it just hasn't been working out. I am trying to learn how to incorporate this into my lifestyle I have right now. I'm learning, but yeah, I wanted to knock out the walk around video, tell you guys, show you guys what I've done to my truck. Exhaust, interior mods, exterior mods, talk a little bit about my truck. I'm just driving out somewhere peaceful right now, somewhere open space. My driveway's pretty packed, and just change the scenery. These country roads, they're so nice, man. I'm just driving out where the blacktop ends, and I'll start talking about my truck. So I'll see you guys then. Yeah, taking the bikes out here, oh my god, it's so nice. Alright. Arrived. So this is my truck, 2018 Toyota Tacoma SR5 model. Real quick, so what I've done front grille. We're gonna start working here, work our way back. I've done the front grille, the Raptor LED grille, the LED lights. I've added this little WeatherTech protector. Wheels are stock. I want to change the whole setup I have right here. Did some tire paint, that's rubbing off, but I'm planning on getting TRD wheels from my buddy Chris. Chris, if you're watching this, I will be getting that soon. I have the Rough Country rock sliders. This is the first thing I actually added to my truck. That's been awesome. Looks good too, I love it. I have the Rough Country soft top trifold. I'll show you guys that. I didn't know how much these saved you on gas mileage, and it just feels a lot smoother going highway speeds. Emblems, I forgot to talk about the emblems. I just plasti dipped it. I'm super happy with how those came out. The sticker right here, slap the sticker there. That was actually pretty hard to do. Getting that in the middle, that's a tough job. Another mod, blacked out Tacoma emblem here. I think that changes the look completely. I think it looks sick. It actually pops out nice. You guys obviously know I did the video on the roof rack. This thing, I'm happy with it. I hear a lot of people talking down this roof rack, but I mean, for what it is, it's a $300 roof rack. It's gonna act like a $300 roof rack. For what I need, it's good enough. Come around here, and carbon exhaust. I love the sound of it. When you get on it, it has a nice deep kind of grumble. But keeping it down at the low RPMs, you literally don't hear it. I'll actually start it up for you guys right now. Sounds nice, I like it. So let's get to the interior mods. Biggest thing that you guys notice right from the get-go are probably the seats. They came with the cloth seats. This is actually a seat cover, and I love this thing. This thing looks so nice. It feels good, good quality. Clasio, so good. Definitely worth. Usually they're around 500 if I'm not mistaken. I got them to write down Tacoma just so it has a more OEM look. That was an extra 100, but I think it honestly completes the look and works really well. Even the little leather cover for here, definitely recommend. Need to get a new setup for this, but so far this is working all right. Interior mods though, I don't really have many. I do have a little LED light that lights up the bottom. It's a little neat little thing I did. Thought it was cool. Big thing here is I have a pedal commander, and it honestly helps. It makes the truck feel like it should, you know. Without it, it kind of feels laggy, I guess is the word I'm looking for. But yeah, I really like it. Everything, I'm just gonna leave the link in the description. Another thing I did was the Tacoma right here. It's just a cutout, so I just put the little sticker here. I think it looks a lot nicer. Another thing, these things are nice. Helps you organize everything you need, but it's just these little, that right there creates little cubbies and everything. Super nice. I actually really like that. And then in here I do have a little tray just for pens, chargers, coins. You can lift it up. Huge cubby right there. You can get dividers for it. I don't really think I'm gonna get it. I'll put a picture up of what they look like. I don't really need it, but I will leave in the description a link for that Another thing on the inside, something I don't really like is the floor mats. I took this from my previous car because when I bought the car, they didn't come with floor mats. Thanks, Toyota. But I want to get some nice ones, so I'll do that eventually. And then in here, this is where I keep my toe straps. But yeah, it's just a quick little video. I just wanted to knock that out just to get you guys up to speed with what I have on my truck. I'll do another video on mods, what I personally think are like the 5 best cheap mods for Tacoma, 3rd gen Tacomas. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's about it for the video. That's all I just really wanted to get out there, just let you guys know what's on the truck. I'm gonna be trying to work out how I do videos, trying to work it more into my schedule, hopefully get more videos out on a scheduled kind of like weekly thing. I'll put a video or 2 out. Keep an eye out for that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications so you know when there's a video out. Like, comment, do all that jazz. Look in the description. My Instagram is out there. All the links are going to be in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Until next time, peace out.
I can't believe it's happening. It's happening.